Good morning and welcome to the Made by Humans screencast about human fall detection. My name is Luis, I'm the founder of Made by Humans, and today I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to create your own fall detector in our platform Smartcam. The first thing you need to do is add your camera to the system. So we go over here to the left, and we press the icon with the camera. You add the RTSP feed of your camera, the place, zip code, street name and the number, and you press Add Camera. If you don't know the RTSP feed of your camera, look in the manual of the manufacturer that sold you the camera. The next thing we need to do is we need to add the phone number we want to receive messages on when certain events happen. Smartcam is camera agnostic, so you can add any camera you want, just as long as it has RTSP. The first thing we need to do now is go to the phone icon and press Add Phone Number. Let me add my phone number real quick here. And then you just check the checkbox of RTSP camera we added earlier. And you press Save. The phone number is added. Don't forget to activate it with the checkbox on the left over here. Press the checkbox and we're good to go. Now, if you want to watch the camera feed live in real time, you go to Details, Watch Real Time. Takes a second to load. And here you can see my colleague walking. He gets classified as walking, sitting, and now he falls on the ground and he gets classified. You just hear the message come in on my phone, real time. If I press a message on my phone, I can see the picture that just happened. You can also see this picture if you go to the bell icon on the left. You go down, you take the last one. Let me move this a little bit over here. And there you can see the picture of my colleague falling. Now that's how easy it is to add your phone number and add your camera to Smartcam. Thank you very much for watching. Please request a demo on our website if you're interested in our product. Bye bye!